First, let's send the SOS mail. With the rescue done, we'll now send the A-OK mail. And finally, we send a thank you mail. the footage to back this up, but I've tested wireless mode to work interchangeably with passwords in any order or combination. For example, you can receive an SOS mail via password and then send the corresponding AOK mail via wireless mode. Now, there is one more feature that's unique to wireless mode, which lets you send one of your recruited Pokemon to the Rescuees game to help them in the remainder of the floors until they complete the dungeon or mission. So, without further ado, let's see the feature in action. Please take a look. First, let's send the SOS mail. One rescue later. Alright, let's send the AOK mail with a recruit. Even the active moves transferred as they were originally set by the rescuer. And so the DIQ skills. That's pretty cool. Interestingly, none of the tactics are set. Sorry, I'm not doing that again. That's all for this video. I hope you found it interesting. I usually just make art videos, so this one is a special treat for my fellow Pokemon Mystery Dungeon diehard fanatics out there. I just thought it'd be neat to document wireless mode in Blue Rescue Team because I think not a lot of folks have the opportunity to witness it very often. That said, I'd still like to encourage you to subscribe to the channel and of course give the video a big thumbs up and leave a nice snarky comment down below about Gengar's sins or something. Thanks for watching.